Hello and welcome to the first tutorial of our series showing how it's easy to use Geometryy Store products. We would like to show how fast you can add that final touch to your exterior scenes, which are usually left behind because of the tight schedules. We will be using this simple exterior scene we built especially for this showcase. First of all, you could note that our balconies are kind of empty, so we'll be adding railings from one of our packs, Geometryy Railings. For adding those, we will need two things. First is the spline, which will define where the railings will be placed. We already have it here. And the second is the Rail Clone plugin with our pack installed. Please note that our templates are highly configurable, thus we will need the Pro version of the Rail Clone plugin. For our convenience, let's isolate the railing splines and let's create a Rail Clone object. Now, open the library and open the Geometryy Railings pack. Let's scroll through available designs and pick something which suits our building style, something with glass and metal. As all the designs come with a lot of predefined materials, we will have something to choose from later. This one will do it. Let's pick our balcony spline and we're good. At this stage, railings are ready to be rendered, but this is not all. As I mentioned before, our templates are highly configurable, and in this specific template, we have three options to set up if you feel the need for it. The first option is evenly distance. This parameter determines the even distance between posts. As you could notice, our templates are crafted to be completely realistic, and the even distance does not affect the posts on the corners, only the ones between them. The next option is the balustrade height. As it is self-explanatory, it changes the height of the balustrade in case you need it higher or lower than a standard one. You may have noticed how the height is adjusted, automatically moving all parts and the whole structure without stretching or scaling any of those. That is because our templates generate geometry by given parameters using procedural power of the Rail Clone plugin. And the last option, but not the last by importance, is the material. Our templates are well documented, and if you press this question mark button, the dialog with description pops up, and we will see a description of the materials and corresponding numbers. We'll go with black matte material for the scene. We'll render this. Fast forward, and here's the final result. So, I hope you like this rather fast showcase of one of our powerful and at the same time very easy to use templates. All of our templates are crafted with the thought of saving your time and giving you all possible options to configure the result. All of our materials are crafted following PBR guidelines and include Corona and V-Ray presets, which are automatically chosen depending on the render plugin you have active. In the description, you will find the link to our website if you are interested to check out our other packs. Also, we have a special gift for you. There is a €10 discount code in the description, which is available for the first 100 buyers. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.